Hi, this is Farhan and welcome back to another video. Today, just like the past couple of days, has been an exceptional day for XRP, for a lot of crypto investors out there, for a lot of XRP investors out there. And this comes at a surprise to a lot of people out there, especially in the Ripple and XRP community, who were expecting that we might see this major rally somewhere towards the end of this year, but we're expecting it much earlier. And especially if you're looking at the prices in the last just 3 weeks, the price of XRP has increased by more than 120%, which is absolutely crazy. And in today's video, we'll be talking about why some of this has happened and also about the stocks of new whales which have started entering into XRP. And for those of you who have been in the world of crypto, you know when whales start entering into a specific crypto, that sees a major momentum for that specific, in our case XRP. So a lot of very interesting things to talk about today, and also we'll talk about some other news related to this lawsuit. Remember, this lawsuit is that catalyst, and if Ripple does win that, it could be a major victory for a lot of investors out there. So a lot of really cool things to talk about today, but before going on to those details, we have to talk about the price today. XRP performed exceptionally well today. In fact, it was one of the best performing cryptos for the last 24 hours, which is definitely good news. And at the time of making this video, it is at a recent high of around $1.21, an increase of about 18% compared to yesterday, and comparing it to 1 week ago, it has increased by more than 53%, which is absolutely crazy. And especially for those people who have come from the stock world, these prices are absolutely crazy. Now, if you're talking about just today, we saw the lowest point at around $1, slightly above $1, and at the high point, which is currently at around $1.21. Now, talking about the short-term price prediction for XRP, what we're seeing here is that the price of XRP, if it is able to sustain at $1.07, the next price target is 1.26 and on towards a $1.7. So as this happened previously, and I did mention that if the price of XRP was able to sustain that $0.75, we would see a major rally, and it did, and we are at that point. Now the price for XRP, it has to be above this $1.07, not just for a short time but for quite a bit time, and then we will see another rally towards 1.26 and then on to 1.7. but if it fails to do this, then we might see an downwards moving towards its 20-day exponential moving average of around $0.8. Now, although it might seem that hey, it's a really good day, it was a really good day, but we have to keep in mind that we can also see a possible downturn. Now, if you're talking about the daily chart here, the daily chart, the summary, it stands at a strong buy, moving averages at a buy, technical indicators at a strong buy, and the RSI indicating at an overbought. Now, talking about the weekly position, the summary, it has shifted to a strong buy. For many weeks it was only at a neutral point, and the RSI, it has also shifted to a buy position, so things are looking pretty good. And now talking about the monthly position, it says the summary is a strong buy, moving averages buy, technical indicators is a strong buy, and RSI, it is at a buy position. So overall, XRP is doing pretty good, and also considering that we are still many months away from a possible verdict regarding this lawsuit, seeing that the price is already at such a high position, I think if Ripple scores a victory, it would be, I would say we would definitely be going to the moon then. Now, talking about whales entering into XRP, for those of you who don't know, these are people, or these are investors out there, or maybe financial institutions out there which hold very large amounts of XRP, or in the general crypto world, a large amount of any kind of crypto. And it seems that in the last 3 days, the number of whales which have entered into the world of XRP, it has increased quite a bit. In fact, from the behavior analytics platform Sentiment, it is showing that there is a buying pressure for XRP. Now, this has prompted a lot of other investors out there to look into investing in XRP, and in the last 3 days we have seen roughly 14 new whales enter into the world of XRP. Now, it might not seem a big deal, obviously, comparing it to such as Bitcoin, but seeing like this in a very short amount of time, especially for altcoins out there like XRP, this does indicate a major price bullish momentum for XRP. So things are looking pretty good for XRP. Now, having said this, some of the reasons why investors out there are thinking about investing into XRP, especially a lot of these investors are saying that hey, the current price of XRP, it is still a lot lower than what it actually can become. And this is especially related to this Ripple lawsuit. Now, Ripple lawsuit, I have been covering it for many months, basically since it started of December of last year. And if you want to be updated with that, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. But what we are seeing, especially from investors out there, is that a lot of investors think that it is that Ripple which has the upper hand against the SEC. And from the last many interactions that the SEC and Ripple have had, it seems that Ripple has always come out on stronger. As we have it here, the defendant Ripple currently has more weight in the XRP lawsuit against SEC. With the settlement, Ripple offers SEC an out with dignity while also achieving public support for its XRP stance against the plaintiff. Basically, in very simple words, it seems that a lot of investors are thinking that Ripple is going to win. Not just when we might actually see a settlement much earlier. Do keep in mind that these are what some of the investors are thinking, because XRP has the strong hand, so they want to have a settlement. They're expecting a settlement between Ripple and the SEC, and obviously SEC wants to show the projection of power, so Ripple is going to settle with the SEC. Now, regarding a settlement, I've talked about it in a lot of my videos. Now, even though some investors out there do think that we might see a settlement much earlier, but I have to remind you guys that from the details that we are getting, that the settlement, the chance of a settlement, it is still very, very low. So do keep that in mind. A lot of indicators out there, and especially the whales coming into the market, do have a sign of bullish momentum. But at the same time, I do want to remind my subscribers that there are other analysts out there who are saying that, hey, we might actually see a halt in the price of XRP at this point, because we might have reached a local high position, as it puts it here. However, XRP price is about to see a halt in its rally in the near term, as a local top may have been recorded. And obviously, since July, basically a couple of weeks back, it was a low point, and since then the price of XRP has increased by more than 130% at the time of making this video. So a lot of investors out there, especially some other analysts out there, are saying that, hey, we might have reached a local top, and from here we might not really see a major incremental rally. So these are for those new investors who are thinking about investing into XRP right now, buying into XRP right now. Do keep in mind that if this does come out to be true, we will see a downturn for the price of XRP. But at the same time, we have other analysts who are saying that, hey, look, whales are entering into the market, the overall sentiment of XRP, there's buying pressure for XRP, and the lawsuit looks really, really good for XRP. So we are going to see another rally for XRP. Having said all of this, what I personally think, especially what I personally look at, especially if I'm thinking about investing here, is I'm looking at the overall sentiment of the world of crypto. And right now it is at extreme greed. And generally for myself, I generally buy when it is at a fear, because you are only going to be making money when there is blood on the streets, as one famous investor has said. Bonus points if you can tell me who that investor is in the comment section below. But it is, if for those of you who are thinking about investing in the long term and have a positive outlook of this Ripple lawsuit, now might not be a bad time to invest. And having said all of this, I do want to remind the golden mantra of crypto investing, and that is only invest what you can afford to lose, because the world of crypto, it can be very volatile. Well guys, that was the video for today. Let me know what are your thoughts in the comment section below. I do love reading all your comments. And also for those of you who are new to my channel, I post videos every single day related to the world of crypto, so make sure you're subscribed to get up to date all information related to crypto, and especially focusing on XRP. So I highly suggest if you can click the subscribe button. Well guys, thank you for watching this video, and as always, I will see you next time.